Hello everybody, this is Brian Begley from enCloud9, bringing you another Dynamics 365 sales video. Our subject today is the 3 different ways to view opportunities in Dynamics 365. If this video helps you out at all, please be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing. It really helps out. Anyway, let's get into it. I'm sharing my CRM screen with you today, and I want to talk to you about the 3 different ways that Microsoft Dynamics has to show you the opportunities in Dynamics 365. Now, when we talk about a view in Dynamics 365, this is what most people think about. It's called the Power Apps Grid, might be called the read-only grid, but it shows you all of your opportunities in a list. And so I'm looking here at my open opportunities. It has the topic. In my case, I've added some custom fields, like we have a next step field. Who is our potential customer, the contact, the estimated close date, the estimated revenue. You can do all sorts of things here. So you can click on the header of the column and sort alphabetically, or you can do filtering. So I say, show me a filter on or where I want to see all of my opportunities that have an estimated close date on or before today. And I see this list. So this is a really simple view. It allows you to quickly see your information, open it up, and move to the next step and clear my filter here. It also, if you have natural search turned on, you can now use natural search here to find your opportunity records by using natural language. So lots of things you could do in the out-of-the-box read-only grid, but I'm going to show you 2 other ways that you can look at your data to get a different viewpoint. Now, the second way you can get to this by clicking on the Show As button is called the pipeline view. Now, when you're in the pipeline view, what you do is you get the same view of all your records down here at the bottom. Right here at the top of the list, you get a few extra features. So for example, we have this little row of tabs here that gives you information about the view you're looking at. So within my open opportunities, I currently have $399,257 in opportunities, 11 deals in the pipeline. And since these are all open opportunities, I don't have any marked as won. I don't have any lost. But if I switch my view to all opportunities, I can then say, well, here's my pipeline value. I've won 4 deals. I've lost 1 deal. And here's the dollar values of all of these. I think that could be really kind of great information to quickly have. So I really like this little header row in the pipeline view. I'm going to go back to my open opportunities here. And the second part I like about this way of viewing Dynamics 365 data is we get this little deal tracker. And what the deal tracker does is it shows you all of the views and shows you on a grid. So for example, this grid shows me 2 pieces of information. It shows me the estimated close date. So I have deals closing from February 12th of 25. On the other end, I have deals closing on March 16th or March 15th of 2025. Now, there's also different colors based on the sales stage of the opportunity. So this bubble is in a qualified stage, and this red bubble is in the proposal stage. So it's further along in the sales process. So based on the color of the bubble, you get a feel for what stage you're in of the opportunity. And then the size of the bubble indicates the size of the deal. So this small little bubble here, it's a $4,999 deal. It was supposed to close a few days ago. Meanwhile, we have this deal upcoming for $95,000, and it's currently scheduled to close on March 9th. So by looking at this view, I can do several things. I can prioritize my leads based on the deal size and by where they're at in the sales process, as well as easily see my opportunities that might need to have their estimated close date modified. So for example, I have this opportunity, February 13th, 2025 was the close date. So I'm going to open this record up in the side view for this opportunity. I'm going to go into the header, and I can go in and modify the estimated close date so that it reflects April 1st of 2025. And what you'll see when I make my saves to those changes is my pipeline view. I'm going to refresh, and now I have that Northwind Traders opportunity all the way out on the other side of my pipeline, and it's got a close date of April 1st. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I really like working with this as a way of envisioning my opportunity pipeline in a visual way. You could also click on another tab, and you can open up the sales funnel view, which shows you all of your current opportunities based on their stage of the sales process. So right now I have 120,000 in qualify, 130,000 in develop, all the way out to 30,000 in close. If I click on any one of these squares or rectangles, it's going to give me a filtered view of all the opportunities that are currently in the qualify stage. So by looking at this, I might say, I need to update one of these opportunities because it's moved out of the qualify stage. It's now in the develop stage. So all different really useful data pieces that become visible when they're shown on a bubble chart or on a sales funnel. The last way that we get to visualize the data is what's called focused view. And focused view, I believe, came to be part of Dynamics 365 in about 2023, 2024. It works somewhat like the sales accelerator in that you get to view your data on this little middle grid while the related records are open on the right side of the screen. So I can look at my opportunities. I can change how they're sorted. I can filter them. I can search for work items. For example, I have an opportunity for tray research, and according to this, I have a couple open activities that I have to do because it shows me not just the opportunity information, but it shows me recent activities and upcoming activities. So I really like this view to allow me to really see what's going on with my current opportunities. I see my opportunities, I see the last few activities with them, and it gives me just a different way to quickly go through my opportunities. I can click from one to the next. And every time I move down this view list in the center view, it switches the main screen to the opportunity I'm focusing on. Really like that. So that's the 3 ways that Dynamics 365 gives you to view your opportunities. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them in the comments below, and be sure to visit enCloud9.com for more Dynamics 365 and Power Platform resources. We'll talk to you in the next one.